All right, following the release of the beta version of Rufus 4.14, the stable version is finally available with its new features. You can now remove unwanted software from Windows 11 when booting from your USB drive. And that's not all. A silent installation option is now available. Let's see how to use it to install Windows 11 on an older PC that isn't compatible. Welcome back. Today, we're doing a clean Windows 11 installation on older hardware using Rufus 4.14, the stable release that just dropped following the beta we covered previously on this channel. Back up your data before continuing. The first thing to do is to download the Windows 11 ISO file. Open a browser and search for Download Windows 11 and navigate directly to the Windows 11 download page. Make sure the URL says Microsoft.com. Never download Windows ISOs from third-party sites. Scroll past the first two sections until you reach Download Windows 11 Disk Image. Click the drop-down and select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO. This single file covers Home, Pro, and other editions. Click Confirm. A second drop-down appears asking for your language. Select your preferred language and click Confirm. Microsoft generates a download link that's valid for 24 hours. Click 64-bit Download and save the file. The ISO is approximately 5 to 8 gigabytes, the largest part of the download. On a typical home internet connection, this takes 10 to 30 minutes. While it downloads, let's get Rufus. Open a new browser tab and go to rufus.ie, the official Rufus website. Anything other than this URL is a copy. Scroll to the Download section. You're looking for Rufus 4.14, the stable release. Download the standard version. The file is under 2 megabytes and downloads in seconds. Rufus is portable, no installation required. Double-clicking the file opens it directly. Once your Windows 11 ISO finishes downloading, we're ready to build the bootable USB. Plug your USB drive into the computer you're using for preparation. Double-click the Rufus file to open it. It launches immediately with no setup prompt. At the top, the Device drop-down should show your USB drive. Verify it. Check the drive letter and size match your USB. Click the Select button on the right. A file picker opens. Navigate to your downloaded Windows 11 ISO file and double-click it. Rufus reads the ISO and automatically fills in the remaining settings. Leave as Standard Windows Installation. Verify this shows GPT, correct for any PC made in the last decade that uses UEFI. The Dell Latitude we're installing on uses UEFI, so GPT is correct. Only change to MBR if you're working with a very old machine using legacy BIOS. Target System should show UEFI non-CSM to match GPT. Volume label. Rufus autofills this. Rename it to something recognizable, Win11, so you can identify the drive later. File system and cluster size. Leave both at default. Now click Start. As soon as you click Start, the Windows User Experience dialog opens. This is where Rufus lets you customize the Windows 11 installation. And for installing on an incompatible older PC, one of these checkboxes is non-negotiable. Let me go through every option. Remove requirement for 4 GB plus RAM, Secure Boot, and TPM 2.0. Check this box. This is the essential setting for our Dell Latitude. It bypasses Microsoft's hardware compatibility checks during installation, the checks that would otherwise detect the missing TPM 2.0 and stop the installation. Without this checked, the installer will refuse to proceed on our hardware. Remove requirement for an online Microsoft account. Highly recommended. Check this. This bypasses the forced Microsoft account sign-in during Windows setup. A text field will appear asking for a local account username. Type whatever name you want to use for this machine. Set regional options to same values as this user. Check this. Copies your current language, time zone, and keyboard layout into the new Windows installation automatically. Saves you from reconfiguring regional settings during setup. Disable data collection, skip privacy questions. Check this. Pre-answers all of Windows 11's privacy prompts during setup with no. Disabling telemetry, advertising ID, location tracking, and other data collection options. Everything gets set to the most private option without you having to click through each one. Disable BitLocker automatic device encryption. Check this. Windows 11 on modern hardware enables drive encryption silently during setup. Quality of life improvements, QOL. Check this. It's one of Rufus 4.14's headline new features. This removes Microsoft Teams, Copilot, OneDrive, Outlook, and other pre-installed Microsoft applications before Windows even reaches the desktop. On a clean install for an older machine being set up as a work tool, starting without this bloatware is a significant quality of life improvement. Silent installation. Leave this unchecked or check it. Silent installation automatically wipes and installs Windows on the first detected disk with 0 prompts. On a machine where you've confirmed you have exactly one drive and know its disk number, it's useful. For a standard single machine install with normal setup screens, it adds unnecessary risk. Use Windows CA 2023 signed bootloaders. This tells Rufus to use Microsoft's newer 2023 Secure Boot certificates. Since we're bypassing Secure Boot requirements anyway for this older hardware, leave this unchecked. Apply SKU-CI policy on installation. Leave unchecked. This is for advanced Secure Boot policy management scenarios that don't apply to our installation. With all settings configured, click OK. Rufus will warn you that all data on the USB drive will be erased. If you've confirmed there's nothing important on the drive, click OK to confirm. Rufus begins writing the Windows 11 ISO to the USB drive, applying all the customizations you configured. The compatibility bypass, local account setup, privacy settings, and bloatware removal are all embedded into the installation media. The progress bar at the bottom shows real-time status. The process typically takes 10 to 20 minutes, depending on your USB drive's write speed. When the bar turns green and displays Ready, your bootable Windows 11 USB is complete. Close Rufus and safely eject the drive. Take the bootable USB drive and plug it into your PC. I'll say it again. I'm doing a clean install here, so I won't be keeping anything on the PC. If you want to do the same, back up your data before continuing. Power on the PC and immediately press F12 repeatedly. This opens Dell's one-time boot menu. If you have a different PC model, search Google to find out how to access the BIOS. In the boot menu, look for your USB drive in the list. It may appear as the USB brand name or as a generic USB storage label. Use the arrow keys to select it and press Enter. As you can see, with silent installation enabled, the computer boots, Windows detects disk 0, and installation begins immediately with no intervention required. You'll see Windows copying files, and the system will restart multiple times. When it finishes, the machine boots directly to the Windows 11 desktop, completely hands-free from boot to desktop. After the final restart, Windows 11's out-of-box experience launches. When the desktop appears, Windows 11 is running on my old PC. Windows 11 running on my PC that Microsoft officially says isn't compatible. Clean install, no bloatware, local account, privacy settings configured, and ready for the post-installation optimization steps we've covered in previous videos. Rufus 4.14's stable release makes this process cleaner than ever. The quality of life option alone saves you from removing Teams, Copilot, and Outlook after every install. If you hit any issues, BIOS boot menu not appearing, Windows failing to detect the USB, activation problems, drop the details in the comments with your PC model and I'll help you sort it out. A like and a subscribe helps the channel grow, and I post practical Windows guides every day. Thanks for watching.